Hello, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum. This is Mahmudul Hassan Naim, ID 222156251. In the below, I have also included the details of my teammate. Today, we are going to talk about something very important in system development, and this is feasibility analysis. So, once again, welcome to our presentation. Before starting any project or system development, we need to check if it's possible to do practically and worth the time and cost. That's where feasibility comes in. It helps us evaluate different factors such as technical, economical, legal, operational, and scheduling feasibility. The main goal is to assess whether the project can be successfully implemented with the available resources, time, and technology. Doing this analysis helps us avoid wasting money or time on ideas that won't work. It also helps us make smart decisions before fully starting the project. In this presentation, we will explore what feasibility analysis is, the different types of feasibility analysis, the steps involved in feasibility analysis, and why it's so important in system development. Now in this slide, we explore types of feasibility. The first types of feasibility is technical feasibility. This type checks whether the technology needed for the project is available and can be used effectively. Number two, economic feasibility. This focuses on the cost and benefits of the project. We look at whether the project is affordable and if it will be profitable or cost effective in the long run. Number three, legal feasibility. Legal feasibility makes sure this project will not break any laws or regulations. Number four, operational feasibility. This type checks whether the system will actually work well in the real world. It looks at whether the users will accept and be able to use the system easily. Number five, schedule feasibility. This checks whether the project can be completed within the given time, even if a project is possible and affordable. If it takes too long, it might fail. The last one is cultural or political feasibility. This type looks at how the people involved, such as users, management, or even the government, will accept or support this project. Now, we will talk about technical feasibility. Technical feasibility assess whether a proposed project or system can be successfully developed, implemented, and operated using current technology, resources, and expertise. Now we will discuss about a example. Imagine a hospital wants to implement an AI tool to diagnose disease faster. But before diving in, they need to they need to ask, is this even technically possible? That's where technical feasibility comes in. It's the reality check for innovation. What does it evaluate? Hardware and software availability, technical expertise, system integration. Now talk about hardware and software availability. Do we have the right tools or infrastructure? What is technical expertise? Does our team have the skills to build or maintain this system? And the last one, what is system integration? Will this new tech work smoothly with our current system? So before granting any project, always ask this question: can the current infrastructure support new tech? Do we have necessary technical skills? At last, we say technical feasibility is the bridge between a great idea and a working solution. Skip this step and you risk wasted time, money, and effort. But get it right, you are set for success. Thank you. My next teammate will continue the presentation.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Mashfiqur Rahman Nehal. My student ID is 222156280. Today, I am here to continue our presentation on feasibility analysis. This is part of the system analysis and design course. My previous teammate explained the first part of the topic, and now I will present the in part of this topic. Let's dive into economics feasibility. Economic feasibility involves conducting a cost benefit analysis where we consider both the total cost, such as development, maintenance, and training, and intangible, tangible benefit of the system. A common method includes payback period, net present value, and return on investment. For instance, like if a company spends $50,000 on system that saves $20,000 annually, we can calculate the return on investment to determine whether the investment is justified. Now let's solve the next step feasibility analysis. At first, set goal, define object that like outcome other differences. Next, note deficiency. Identify issue with current system. Next, calculate goal. Qualifying this goal in measurable terms. Next, find solution. Discover alternative solution to meet the goals. Next, evaluate feasibility. Assess is alternative considering available resource rank alternative. PCS the alternative and discuss the with user. Next, prepare proposal. Submit system proposal to management approval. On the next slide, we see the conclusion and importance of system development. Feasibility analysis plays a critical role in ensuring that the system development projects are realistic, resource enforcement, and like to succeed. It helps minimizing risks by identifying challenges. This analysis acts as the first checkpoint in the system development lifecycle SDLC, and performing a thorough feasibility analysis is essential for the efficient allocation of resource achieving stakeholder satisfaction. So we hope you found this presentation on feasibility analysis insightful. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Wishing you all a great day.